How to buy AICROSTRATEGY token. So this token came under the symbol of AICROSTR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their update about this token. So to be able to buy this token, as you can see, it's available on Tick Screener. So go and find this token there. Now to buy this token, just copy the token address from there. And after that, open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now log into your wallet. After that, select the base as a network from here. After that, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. And as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back. After that, find your token here. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap. And now switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDC. Now after that, as you can see, enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. And as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now after that, you can click on buy now to be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy AICROSTRATEGY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.